This message is transmitted at the request of the California State Police. Riots have broken out across the state for an unknown reason. According to police reports, most of the participants are children and young adults between the ages of 10 and 26 years. Police are struggling to contain these riots, and casualties have been reported. All residents are advised to take the following actions: move to a basement or interior room, and stay away from windows and doors. Please stay tuned to local media and news outlets for more information.